This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rosie Shetley. Welcome to the stunning Cali floor plan by Dr. Horton, a fully furnished 4-bedroom, 2-bath single-story home with 1,828 square feet of living space, offering peaceful conservation views and no rear neighbors. Located in the boutique community of Pine Creek, this 2024 built home blends comfort, function, and style. Inside, you'll find an open concept layout, modern finishes, and a beautifully designed accent wall in the spacious primary bedroom, creating the perfect retreat. Built with solid concrete block construction and equipped with Dr. Horton's smart home system, this home is move-in ready and thoughtfully designed. Located just off the Suncoast Parkway, Pine Creek offers quick access to Tampa International Airport, shopping, dining, and outdoor adventure. Bishop McLaughlin Catholic High School, ranked number 7 best Catholic high school in Florida by niche.com, is just around the corner. Pine Creek is a quiet community of just 73 home sites. No pets allowed. Renter is responsible for landscaping maintenance. Minimum 1-year lease required. Don't miss this opportunity to live in a stylish, low-maintenance home surrounded by nature. For more information,